Good morning, guys. Today's August 21st, 2022, and I did not take care of my cuttings properly. So instead of changing the water every 2 days, I probably was getting to them every 4 days because we were busy with the family farm. So I get exactly what I deserve. I get root rot on my cuttings. So as you can see, this one, it's healthy. These three, they have root rot pretty bad. The first thing I do is rinse them off, cut off the obviously rotted roots, and then I'm going to spray all these with 1/8 3% hydrogen peroxide and 7/8 filtered water. I spray the roots, fronts and back. I give them fresh filtered water, couple sprays in the water, and I change it every day until the root rot's gone. It's another way to save your cuttings. Also, if you've got mature plants with big roots that got root rot, please see my other video showing you how Dawn's soap can save your root rot from mature plants. Have a good day. Like and subscribe, and automatically enter to win a free passion flower plant if your name is pulled after I get 500 subscribers. God bless. I hope this helps you save your cuttings.